for the issuance of a council tax liability order was discontinued in 2003. Now I'm going to quote from the book. It's all in the book. It's crazy. Okay, so you can see here, this is directly from the council tax handbook. This handbook you can buy on Amazon, and it goes through all of the rules and procedures that the council should be following with regards to council tax, but they don't. But here's the key piece, right? And I won't quote everything. Form A, which is what it used to be called, originally provided to draw up liability orders, was removed from law 1st of October 2003, and no form has been substituted in its place. So that's an absolute irrefutable fact that's even in their own damn handbook, and yet they still do what they're doing. How are these liability orders real, legitimate? They literally are not, which is why the court doesn't hold any copy, because they can't. Right? So hopefully, guys, you're getting this now. The liability orders are not real. The form does not exist. Period. So we have no legal form from which the court can even issue a valid liability order, guys. But given we already know the court doesn't issue the summons, could it be that they don't issue the liability order too? Well, yes, we know the answer, right? So using our secret weapon, the DSAR, we can actually confirm the court don't hold it. And so what do we do now? Well, we DSAR the council too, and we ask them for our data and information contained within the original liability order. And what happens here, do you think? Well, if they don't produce it, we win. There's no liability order, that the court's already proven it. And if they do produce it, we win. It's a provably fake liability order, and the council are going to be in some pretty big trouble here. And don't forget, all the legislation that I've already showed you, right? So to summarise what we've got so far, we have a fake court with a fake court hearing. They've hired it for the day. We have the council literally committing an offence by issuing or printing the summons and the liability order themselves. And the court in question holds none of our data, none of the original documentation on proper court form. No summons, no liability order exist. So we can prove the council don't have a valid claim. And worse, they're even committing offences here. But there's actually one more point to cover. This is the actual final nail in the coffin, right? The council will happily tell you that they get their power to enforce council tax from the Regulation 34 of the Council Tax Administration and Enforcement Regulations Act 1992. Remember what I said earlier though about legislation, right? It's a contract essentially, and in simple terms it requires our consent. But also remember too that whoever makes the claim has the burden of proof. There's a section of that act